What's good, world? It's your boy Charles Enoch, real estate investor and Velocity banking coach. I want to welcome everybody to my Patreon page, tell you a little bit about me, my vision, and my goals for the future. So I started my YouTube channel a little over a year ago. This channel aims to help young brothers and sisters like myself learn the concepts of Velocity banking, which will help eliminate debt at a faster pace and help you invest quicker. Honestly, to keep it real, I was so nervous to start my YouTube channel. But fast forward a year later, I have clients that I love working with, and watching them succeed in their financial goal is a blessing. So, I definitely enjoy what I do, and my personal goal is to become a full-time Velocity banking coach. I really want to spread this financial knowledge to various communities, so I'm really asking for your support by joining my Patreon page for only $2 a month. I know, I get it. I'm asking y'all to break the bank, right? But really, this will help me invest in myself. Did y'all get it? Hint, hint. But honestly, I just want to offer more time and more financial services to others so everybody can meet their financial goal. And let's face it, the vibe ain't even right. So I do want to mention all my videos will be on YouTube for free. My main goal is to educate, and I truly believe God will manifest my vision anyway. So if you like what I'm doing, don't hesitate to support. So there's 3 different tiers on my Patreon page, and I just want to quickly outline all 3. So tier number 1 is becoming an Invest in Myself member. So this tier is only $2 a month to join, and you're able to enjoy my YouTube content in a more structured manner. So I have playlists for various topics about Velocity banking and real estate investing. So the second tier is becoming an Invest in Myself VIP member. Now this tier is $10 a month to join. You will also have access to my structured YouTube video playlist, and you'll receive an hour monthly phone call with me where I'll be answering any questions you have about Velocity banking or real estate investing. So the third tier is becoming an Invest in Myself Gold member. This tier is going to be $20 a month to join. Again, you'll have access to my structured YouTube video playlist as well as an hour monthly phone call with me. In addition, you'll receive a monthly review of your personal finances, which will include the best Velocity banking strategies tailored to your personal financial goals. Again, I appreciate anybody that takes the time to support your boy. I genuinely just want to help people reach their financial goals through Velocity banking. Much love. And I hope everybody has financial success in their future. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys enjoy my page.